This video guitar lesson is how to play the Asus2 chord and the Asus4 chord on the guitar. So this is called Asus2. Put your second finger on the second fret of the D string and your third finger on the second fret of the G string, but you let the B and high E strings ring open. So it's like this. So right here is the suspended note. And it goes great with the E chord. I like to use it a lot. This one is called a Asus4, and so you can use your third finger over here on the third fret of the B string. I like using my pinky, and I put my first finger on the second fret of the D string, second finger on the second fret of the G string, and then my pinky on the third fret of the B string. It's like this. And sus4 chords usually kind of want to go to the regular A. So that's A sus4, A major, A sus2, Well, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. My name is Brett, and if you'd like to watch more of my videos, just search Guitarincrease. Thank you very much.